Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to add widgets for frequently used apps or just adding a smart stack to the home screen of your iPhone. To get started, tap and hold on an empty space on your home screen. When you get the dancing apps, tap the plus sign on the top left. When the widget screen comes up, you'll get recommended widgets based on the apps that you use the most. Scroll through until you find the one that you want to add. On the next screen, you can then swipe left or right to choose how much and how the widget appears on your screen. When you're ready, hit Add Widget. You can then move the widget around to where you want it, and when you're finished, tap Done. To remove a widget, just press and hold like you normally would to delete an app and select Remove Widget. You can also add a smart stack, which is a collection of widgets that automatically rotates throughout the day in one collection in order to save home screen space. Head back into the Add screen by pressing and holding an empty space and then tapping the plus sign again. At the top, select the smart stack, choose the appearance that you want, and then Add Widget. Smart stacks will show the most relevant widgets and automatically scroll through them throughout the day. You can also edit a smart stack by pressing and holding on the widget. Tap Edit Stack. In here, you can then reorder the widgets or turn off the Smart Rotate. And finally, you can create your own stacks of up to 10 widgets in one space. Add the widgets that you want to stack, making sure they're all the same size. When you're done, just drag and drop the widgets on top of each other. This will then create a scrollable stack of widgets. And that's how you add single, smart stack, and custom stack widgets on your iPhone's home screen in iOS 14. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.